Hi, welcome to this video where I'm giving away an animated markers pack. The download is in the description. Go ahead, click that and download it. From there you can easily add these animated markers into your video editing projects. You can use it with any video editing software and it's super easy to use. Just simply drag and drop into your timeline. Whilst you're here, I just want to tell you a little bit about my web store. For the last few years, I've been developing video editing assets and elements that can help upgrade your projects and speed up your workflow. So go ahead and check that out. We have a load of different options depending on your projects. We've got title screens, film overlays, film burns. There's a whole bunch of stuff, so I'd recommend just going and have a look on there. You can also sign up to my mailing list where you'll receive free tutorials, free downloads like this one here today, and just keep up to date with the new packs that I have coming out. Whilst you're on the site, and you can also use the discount code SAVE10 to save yourself an extra 10% off of your purchase. We also have a sale on the Master Bundle, which is over half price at the moment, and that includes every single product on the site, one-off payment, and you have lifetime access to that. So go ahead and check out www.jamesabadi.design. Again, the link to that will be in the description. Thank you for checking out this video today. Feel free to like and subscribe to keep up to date with more content like this and get some more free downloads if you're interested in that type of thing. And again, thank you very much for checking this video out today.